Hi, today we're gonna go over the second question you had for the SAQs you took on Monday. The question said, describe one study investigating reconstructive memory. When you have the word describe, you need to provide a detailed account. That's the command term here, describe. One study investigating reconstructive memory. So the first thing you have to do is define reconstructive memory. In this case, this was an open book, so we have a quote. But then those are some of the main topics you need to understand, so you can put it in your own words for the real IB exam. After that, you need to link it to a study, because you have to describe the study. When you describe, you need to provide detailed information. That means we will include the aim, procedure, and relevant findings. So what is detailed account? The aim, that's pretty clear. In the procedure, what is the design they used? Which one was the dependent variable, the independent variable, the controls? A little bit more information in there. The same with the results. And at the very end, a way that you can link the results to the theory. In this case, having a sentence that says there is evidence, this shows evidence. Okay, so which one is it? Okay, be more specific in that one.